Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're ready, open Facebook and tap the post box now. First, make sure your device emoji keyboard is enabled or use the small emoji icon inside the composer. Place the cursor where emoji should appear. That makes positioning predictable. Once done, choose 3 emojis that match your tone, fun, serious, or informative, so they don't overwhelm your message. This first move sets the post's look and keeps readers focused. Don't waste time formatting before you pick emojis. Next, insert emojis deliberately. Tap the composer's emoji icon or open your device emoji keyboard and use search to find the exact symbol. That's faster than scrolling. Make sure to apply skin tone modifiers if needed and place emojis in line with words for clarity. Once placed, read the line aloud to check rhythm. Add line breaks to create pauses. If you need an emoji not in the picker, copy-paste a Unicode emoji from another source. Finish by previewing your post. Look for spacing, tone, and accessibility. Tap Post. If something feels off, use Edit to move or remove emojis. Edits update instantly. If emojis show as empty boxes, that means your device or the viewer's device lacks that Unicode. Update the Facebook app or OS, or use a more common emoji. As a quick troubleshooting tip, copy the emoji into a note app to confirm your keyboard supports it, then repost if necessary.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.